Hey there, welcome to Flight. I'm Joshua, and today we're going to be making some really cool magic wands with materials sourced only from the Dollar Tree. So our family is reading through the Harry Potter books right now, and we were recently at the Dollar Tree and we saw some of their new craft supplies. And the idea hit me that we should make some magic wands. Now I've sourced these materials before, just kind of at a cursory glance at craft stores and at big box stores. And all the supplies, it just starts adding up when you get dowels, or you get dowels from the hardware store and you cut them down. Guys, the dowels at the Dollar Tree come in a huge pack for $1. They're 3 to 4 times that at your department stores and your craft stores. And then you just go on down the line with the hot glue that they have available, the beads they have available, and the opportunities are endless. Now, the only thing that I did not get from the Dollar Tree that we used to do this entire project was the hot glue gun itself. They are starting to offer some $3 and $5 items at the Dollar Tree, so maybe they'll come up with a hot glue gun next. Otherwise, jump on Amazon or go over to your department store and pick up an inexpensive mini hot glue gun, and let's get on with this project. All right, so there's not a whole lot of tutorial that goes on with this craft, but you just get some hot glue and run it along your dowels, kind of make cool designs, different shapes, different sizes, add in some beads, add in some rocks, and then you paint it up. And it turns out really cool. Of the different ways that we tried it, I really enjoyed how it turned out when we put the hot glue on first and then painted it. I think that ended up looking the most authentic, most natural. But you can totally do whatever you'd like. Then we did some where we painted them first and then used the colored hot glue on top of that. And that turned out, it was a little bit different and turned out cool as well. Grabbing a hair dryer or a fan definitely helps to speed up the process in drying the paint or cooling down the hot glue. But the sky's the limit. Go ahead and use whatever you've got available. Add things to it, or use the hot glue and then wait till it gets almost cool and then use imprints, like put something in there and then take it out. Lots of different things you can do with this project. You're only limited by your creativity. But what I really wanted to share was the resource of the supplies now available at the Dollar Tree. All right, a super simple project. We got some hot glue, we got some paints, some dowels, beads. Sky's the limit, right? But they make some pretty cool magic wands, DIY magic wands, and it's super affordable because, again, all the supplies that I got were from the Dollar Tree, so it was all $1. If you get yourself a glue gun, you can even get the hot glue at the Dollar Tree. Super cool product, something awesome to do on a rainy day inside, and they're durable. They're gonna last quite a long time. So if you're into making your own crafty toys or are a Potterhead and really into Harry Potter, consider making your own hot glue gun magic wands. Now this is a bit more crafty than my usual content, but if you like DIY projects, life hacks, and cool tips, go ahead and check out ganderflight.co. Show me some love down below and leave a comment. Are you gonna make some hot glue wands? Until next time, I'm Joshua and you've been watching Gander Flight. Take care and pay it forward.